Sorry about that, guys. I'm just here doing some like airplanes spotting nearby by Harry Reid International Airport, Las Vegas. So this will be only a 10-minute video. I'll try to see if I can get more airplanes. So here's one taking off. Yeah, there's one right here. To Southwest Airlines. Southwest is taxiing right now, but that's the only ones I can see for now. So this is just my pre-trial airplane spotting road here. I forgot to tell you guys that this security I-702 here, and I'm currently at work, so I'm taking like a 10-minute break. I have to go back to work, and then I'll be doing like a 30-minute stream, or 30-minute video again, like at 11:30 or 11 o'clock. So I'm just waiting for the next airplane to come. I don't know where I have to look on the other side. No, nothing over there. There's a Hawaiian Airlines right over there. I don't think you guys can see it, but yeah, right there. I think that's a 777 Airlines. Here's United. Beautiful airplanes. I'm gonna get good at this, but I'm gonna be moving pretty soon, so hopefully I can do some more plane spotting for you guys. I'll be like LA flights. I've been seeing them a lot, so I've been checking their videos out. So I'll be like LA flights, New York JFK flight spots, like flight spotting. Oh, yes, we have a Spirit Airlines. They're about to take off, I think. Spirit. Hopefully this airplane is going to, the Spirit Airlines is going to like Los Angeles. Wow, look at that beauty. Woo! Oh yeah. I think it's A321, A321. Airbus. Nice. I'm supposed to be at work, but I don't care. I'm gonna do this for you guys. I want to do some plane spotting. So I have to go back and forth between these two corners right here. So yeah, this another airplane is about to take off. I think there's a 26 right, 26 left, I think, but I think it's 26 right. There's departures, and I believe 26 left is for arrivals. So yeah, we have another airplane about to take off. Yeah, right there. Whew. That is a Delta. Oops. Sorry, guys. Zoom in a little bit. Nice, nice, nice. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So please, guys, please help me out. I'm really trying to get big on YouTube. So please subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate you guys' help. Well, I'm doing it for my family, so I want to make it. I want to make them proud. Shoot. See if there's another airplane. No. Probably be like a couple more minutes for another airplane to be taken off. And I also have Flight Simulator 2, like 2020 on my Xbox, so I kind of know the runways. But we have a private jet taking off. I don't know if you guys can see it, but oh yeah, right there, yeah, I see it. It's right there. It's a private jet going somewhere. That's gonna be us pretty soon, all of us. So I need to see where's another airplane that's being taken off. I love airplanes too, so I've been born with airplanes since when I was a young kid. I've been traveling with my mom with the 747s. We went to like all around the whole world too. So the 747s, the DH-11. So I want to take my family too on an airplane pretty soon. And we have another, I think there's another takeoff from a private jet. Yes, somewhere around here. What happened? Oh yeah. Yeah, right there. Nice. So I'm still looking for any more airplanes, but I don't see none right now, but hopefully they'll be soon. I think there's a Southwest going for departure. Yeah, there's a Southwest and a United Airlines that's taxiing for departure. I think when I get off at like a 2:30, I'm gonna do some plane spotting more better for you guys. I miss flying because I used to go from Las Vegas to Los Angeles to see my family. Yeah, so now we have Southwest Airlines about to take off. Somewhere in that area. Got the Southwest right there. Sorry if my hands is shaking. There you go. I'll get the background too from Las Vegas Strip. There. Nice. So here's another Southwest. There's another Southwest about to take off. There's a lot of Southwest over here by Las Vegas. Hopefully they don't see me or wave at me. There you go. Alright guys, that'll be it for now. I'll be back at 11:30 in my lunch break. Bye guys.